Inside your chest beats the engine of life, your heart, working every second to keep you alive. As we go deeper, every vessel, every chamber, every pulse reveals its hidden power. These are the life-boosting particles carried by your blood, fueling every heartbeat. When these particles reach the heart's own arteries, they ignite strength from within. Every fiber of the heart responds, contracting with more power and precision. With each pulse, energy radiates across your entire body. At the cellular level, your mitochondria fire up, creating pure energy for your heart. This power spreads outward, improving circulation through every major artery. Your heart becomes a glowing core, driving energy throughout your entire body. When the heart accelerates, the mind awakens, synapses firing with sharper speed. A healthier heart beats with cleaner rhythm, steady, powerful, and deeply controlled.
Your muscles absorb these nutrients, restoring strength and supporting healthy growth.